Hey yo, what's going on? What's going on? Welcome to my channel, yo. This is the Bando Guru, and if you ain't been here, welcome, welcome. If it's your first time checking in with me, now look, man. Most of y'all know me. I usually post on Snapchat and Instagram, but this is the first time for the YouTube community, so y'all tap in with me. Look, I'm gonna put y'all on some game on this channel right here. We're gonna be talking about how to get some money. We're gonna talk about affiliate marketing. We're gonna talk about digital marketing. We're gonna talk about how to make money the right way. We're gonna talk about how to stay away from scammers. We're gonna talk about how to set you up. We're gonna do a whole lot on this channel right here. So um, let me just so. All right, here we go. My bad about that, y'all. So look, let me just move this to the side. I don't even know why, but if you want to get started with affiliate marketing,